Saffa. I serve as the Chief Market Officer of the Saracen Casino. Most importantly, I was the first employee of our business. Saracen's the first purpose-built casino in Arkansas history with an 80,000 square foot gaming floor. It's the single largest one-time investment in tourism in Arkansas state history. Legends Sports Bar, where we sit, is an important part of our property, and the video wall behind us is the focal point of the important part of our property. The Quapaw Nation owns this property. It's a commercial casino, but our sister property, Downstream Casino in Quapaw, Oklahoma, also shares the Legends name. So we co-branded the property with the successful Legends brand in Oklahoma. It was a natural fit, it's a natural extension from that, but we have a beautiful video wall behind us, and I think our friends in Oklahoma are probably a little jealous. So when we set out to build Saracen, we brought in what we felt were industry leaders, brand best, top of class, and that shows itself in everything throughout this building, from the carpet to the brewery tanks in our microbrewery, to the equipment in our state-of-the-art kitchens. It just made sense that we would do the same thing with the video wall and go state-of-the-art with a flagship product. And so Visiontech made sense as a partner in that. In other words, Visiontech, the cream rose to the top when we went to look for the best. We found it in Visiontech. You know, in this day and age, people have 75, 85-inch TVs at home. So we wanted to do it big, and we wanted to do it in a way that was different. So big wasn't enough, but the curve was another factor. And boy, it looks a lot cooler than a flat screen, so I'm glad we did it. So the video wall largely shows sports. It's in a casino, in a sports bar environment. My favorite feature about it is it's big. You don't have to be close to it to see it, but also that we can run a number of different sources into it. So we'll run one large in the middle and 6 on the outside. That allows someone who's watching SEC football and someone who's watching a exhibition basketball game, and then maybe the wild card guy that's interested in lacrosse. We can put it up there. We have thousands of people visit our casino a day, and yeah, you'll find a soccer fan, you'll find a lacrosse fan, you'll find a Lord knows what fan. Of course, football usually is the big screen, or basketball, depending upon the time of the year. But with 7 screens, we can accommodate 7 different asks from a group. The modularity of the TV allows us, if there's a big home game, if the Razorbacks are playing and it's Arkansas, or the Cowboys are on, or something like that, we can do the whole screen with one. And so we're able to get that flexibility with the Visiontech system that we wouldn't have if we had fixed walls television screens. So the wall is easy to use. Most of the folks who actually are engaged in changing the channels, which is essentially what the request is from a patron, can you change the channel? Can you put this game on? Can you put that game on? The change the channel requests come to our food and beverage staff. That's a tough job. Waiting tables is tough. We don't expect those folks to generally play an IT role. But the fact that our wait staff, bartenders, servers are able to accommodate a channel change, I think speaks to how easy it is to operate the system. So on our property, you can come on, you can place a sports bet at a kiosk, which is a self-service device, or you can place a bet at a window, a traditional environment. You walk up to a teller and place a bet. And the best place in the state to watch the game is at the Saracen Casino. We also think it's the best place to bet the game. But whether you come to bet the game or not, we want to have a great place for you to watch the game. And so we've got killer food in here, we have our own microbrewery in here, and it only made sense that we have an incredible place to watch the game. And we found that this video wall is an amenity. Some of our best customers will call and seek the room for a particular event. Weeks in advance, people will call to reserve a table just to sit in front of this TV wall to watch a game. We have a lot of demand for this for reserved tables and for private settings. In terms of customer feedback, what we get mostly is wow, or boy, that's a big TV. But it's been a wow factor. There's a lot of wow factors in this building with the scale, 2,000 slot machines and 50 table games, Kobe beef in our steakhouse. We've got a lot of stuff to brag about. But the TV wall was one more thing that folks sort of stop and go, wow. It's the centerpiece of our sports betting part of our business. It has become a tremendous amenity and something that makes our property unique.